Hello everyone, so today we're going to talk about finding a point on a number line given the length of a segment and another segment. So, on these types of questions, I encourage you to either print off your own number line or make a number line yourself. It's really easy. The positives go on the right, the negatives go on the left, and get used to, using this number line because it's going to be really helpful in understanding how to solve these types of questions. So let's get to the question. Suppose that P and Q are points on the number line. Okay, so some of you probably know what that means, but just in case you don't understand or, you don't really get what they're trying to say, I'm going to give P and Q names. So let's just pretend that Q is someone named Quincy and P is someone named Penelope. So these are two friends far apart, and we need to find out where Quincy is located. Okay, so it says if PQ is equal to 11, if the distance between Penelope and Quincy is 11 units, and we know that Penelope is at number 6 standing right here right now, where could Q be? Or Quincy be? There's really an easy way to solve this, but first let's go over what we know first. One more time. We know that the distance between P and Q is 11. Okay, so Quincy and Penelope, they're 11 units apart. And then point P is at 6. Or Penelope is just standing at number 6 right now. Okay, now I have made this in bold so you guys can see how easy it is to solve this question. Basically, we're going to move either 11 points to the right of 6 or we're going to move to the left of 6 because it still means that Penelope is 11 units further apart from Quincy, even if it seems like it's a negative number or a positive number. Now the way we do that is going to be by adding 11 units to the right. Okay, so let's find this number first. So 6, 1, 2, 3. You can keep doing that and find the answer, but an easier way is just adding 11 to 6. 11 plus 6 is 17. So we know that a possible answer is 17. Okay, now that we've achieved the right side, now we just have to go on to the left side. So if you understand the point of this, it's basically taking the number that's given to you, plotting it on your number line, which means putting it on there, and then using your total, the sum of their locations, and adding it and subtracting it from that given point. So we've already found what's 11 plus 6 on the right side. Now we're going to aim to find our answer from the left side. Now we're going to subtract 6 plus negative 11 is going to be negative 5. If you remember the technique that I've told you, which was keep, change for integers, then you know really fast that it's going to be negative 5 from this side. Now, if you're like, how was it negative 5? I don't really get it. Let me just show you one by one. So here's Penelope. We're going to move 11 units. Unit just means here, 1, 2. These are just units. So we're going to use move 11 units to the left now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That confirms our answer. So the next answer is going to be negative 5. So these are our two possible answers. And that is it for this question. I hope you all get it. If you don't, just send me an email. Like I said, please utilize a number line by either drawing it yourself or printing one out and practicing these types of questions with Alex, because if you try to do it from your head, like maybe you can do it with the technique I've taught you, but it's better to still try it with the number line and then confirm your answer by just doing the addition and then subtraction of that point. And I hope this helps. I will maybe not see you guys later, but talk to you later, depending on what's going on with the news. Then, alright, see you later, guys. Bye!